Hi friends, I am Vikas Kumar Sahu. Today we are going to discuss about the current affairs GK of 11th November 2021. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel English Worms. So let us start for the current affairs today. So this is question number 1. The question is, Hage art, a unique painting style, is a traditional art practiced in which Indian state? The question is again, Hage art, a unique painting style, is a traditional art practiced in which Indian state? Options are Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal. The right answer is option B, Karnataka. So here is the explanation. Hage art is a unique painting style practiced by the Debaru community residing in Shibomoga district and Uttar Kannada in Karnataka. The Hage Chitara painting depicts rural life, traditional farming, harvesting, among other aspects of daily lives. The artists have urged the government to help in protecting the art form as the number of people practicing the painting is very less at present. So now this is question number 2. The question is Asa Olumbin uh, Olumbi nsp.nov is a recently discovered and rare dash species. Snake, frog, spider, gecko. The right answer is frog. So this is a frog species, rare species of frog. Explanation is University of Newcastle researchers have identified a new frog species of frog which has been named Asa olumbin nsp.nov. It was found in the Olumbin National Park, Australia. The frog is one of the two known species to store tadpoles on their bodies. It is found to be genetically different from another pouch frog, Asa darlingtoni. There are only 4 of the 4,000 species where the male carries its developing tadpoles. So this is question number 3. Isisanek, a dinosaur species which was recently modeled, which was found in which present day region? Options are Russia, Greenland, Australia, USA. The right answer is Greenland. So explanation is an international team of researchers from Portugal, Denmark and Germany has performed a micro CT scan of the previously excavated bones to create digital 3D models. The finds belong to a new species which has been named Isisanek. It means cold bone in Greenland's Inuit language. The two-legged species lived about 214 million years ago in present-day Greenland. It was a medium-sized, long-necked herbivore and a predecessor of the sauropods, largest land animal. So here is the question number 4. The question is, what is the name of the circuit train recently launched by IRCTC to boost domestic religious tourism? Options are Sri Ramayana Yatra train, Mahabharata Yatra train, Velankani Yatra train, Dargad Dargha Yatra train. Explanation is the right answer actually is option A, that is Sri Ramayana Yatra train. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation IRCTC has commenced a Sri Ramayana Yatra train from Delhi. The train left Delhi's Darjong railway station. As per IRCTC, more such ones would be run to promote religious tourism. The train will cover the visit of all prominent places associated with the life of Lord Rama in 17 days, traveling around 7,500 kilometers in the entire tour. So this is the question number 5. This is the last question for day. So the question is, what is the new name of the Mumbai Karnataka region comprising 7 districts in Karnataka? The question is again, what is the new name of the Mumbai Karnataka region comprising 7 districts in Karnataka? Options are Kalyana Karnataka, Kittur Karnataka, Belgavi Karnataka, Rani Karnataka. The right answer is option B, that is Kittur Karnataka. The Karnataka government has decided to rename the Mumbai Karnataka region comprising 7 districts as Kittur Karnataka. The Mumbai Karnataka region consists of Uttara Kannada, Belagavi, Dharwad, Vijayapura, Bagalkot, Gadag and Haveri districts. Kittur is a historical taluk in Belagavi district which was ruled by Rani Chennamma. In 2019, the Hyderabad Karnataka region was renamed as Kalyana Karnataka. So Hyderabad Karnataka region was renamed as Kalyana Karnataka, but here the Mumbai Karnataka region is known as Kittur Karnataka. So this is the question of the day on 10th November that I asked yesterday. The question was, who is known as father of Green Revolution? The options were Norman Borlaug, M.S. Swaminathan, Raj Krishna or K.V. Rao. So the right answer is Norman Borlaug. Okay, so here is an interesting another question, that the father of Green Revolution was Norman Borlaug, and here is the option B, that is M.S. Swaminathan. He coined the term Evergreen Revolution, or the Green Revolution term was introduced by or coined by M.S. Swaminathan. So here is the question of the day. The question is, the man named as father of Indian archaeology is dash. Okay, the name as father of Indian Indian archaeology. The man named as the father of Indian archaeology is dash. Options are Alexander Cunningham, John Marshall, James Prinsep, none of the above. So answer this question in the comment box. I'll definitely answer this question in my next video coming tomorrow. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. So please subscribe my channel and keep a like, comment. If is there any upgradation or any modification required in my video, please feel free to suggest anything. Thank you everyone. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Thank you.